Denver's Golden Swan Restaurant is introducing its newest staff member on wheels. Their new robot waiter helps deliver food, clear tables, and sometimes just interacts with the patrons and plays music.
Nobody expects a robot working at the restaurant, and it brings a lot of attractions, especially just kids and family.
The robot hails from China and was programmed by a distributor in Regina. The $30,000 price tag may seem steep, but it's a small price considering the amount of interest it's generated from guests.